Hi, I'm Sufyana.
And I am Aris.
Today,
we are going to introduce our very own BVPS multi-use school kit.
This multi-use school kit was given to us as a Children's Day gift last year. Every item inside carries a special meaning.
I wonder, how is it multi-use? Let's see how innovative we can be as we think of different ways to use it.
But first, let's take a look at the items.
This is our BVPS mask, made with fabric that is of the same design as our school uniform. Accompanying this mask is a mask case with a QR code, and scanning the code will lead you directly to our school website.
I cannot emphasize enough how useful the mask and case are. Not only are we able to wear a mask that matches our school uniform, but we can also keep our mask in this mask case while having our meals.
More wonderful items to introduce. Look at this pack of 10 pencils and the card with a poem entitled Just Like a Pencil.
Yes, I love this inspiring poem and I personally learned some meaningful lessons from it.
Actually, I have another way to use this. I like to put it between the pages of a book. This way, it can serve both as a bookmark and an inspiration to me when I revise. I really like how sturdy it is and the fact that it can fit into my school kit as well.
Come to think of it, I also have other creative ways of using the mask case itself. It can be used to keep our daily needs such as a mini hand sanitizer, wet wipes, and tissue when we go out for a meal. Additionally, I can even fit a $2 note and an evening card inside. This way, I don't have to bring my entire wallet along for lunch. I wonder how else we can use this case.
Well, if you are going on a learning journey, this pocket-sized case can double up as a pencil case. It is perfect for holding essential stationery such as our BVPS pencils, an eraser, and even a highlighter. This is way better than stuffing our bulky pencil case into a small bag.
Wow, I didn't think of that. Thanks for sharing the brilliant idea. Now that I think of it, there's so many other uses that I can think of, even for my family members. My brother can use it to keep his earpiece, and maybe my mother can use it for her cosmetics.
We hope that you have learned new ways of using our BVPS multi-use school kit. Do visit Bukit View Primary School to learn more about how we make innovation our culture. Thank you!